Hello, 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 hello. Hi guys, my name is Christabel Ndeokwelu. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Happy New Year. I'm so excited to have you back on my channel. Whenever I sit down to film these videos, I'm always super thrilled because if you know me, you know that I despise small talk and I like deep conversations. And just imagine having a channel where you can just always talk about deep things and then have people who actually like those things and listen to what you have to say and subscribe to your channel and come back to your videos. So yes, I'm always very excited when I sit down to film these videos. On this channel, I make videos on productivity, growth, and how to design your life intentionally. And so if this is content that you like to watch, please subscribe to my channel, and I'm glad to welcome you to the fam, to the tribe. Welcome, 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 welcome. Anyway, this is a very requested video. Everybody, well, not everybody, a lot of people have been messaging me and telling me, oh, make videos on vision board, make videos on vision board. And in my mind I was like, I'm coming, I am coming, I'm gonna make the video. And yeah, this is that video. This video is about vision boards, and I'm not sure yet. I think this may be part one of the video on vision board making, depending on how long it is, because I want to give you all the information that you require for making a vision board. Before we get into what a vision board is and how to make a vision board, let's first define vision. Okay, vision is what you see for the future, what you picture your future to look like. Vision could be as short as like a 1 month vision, a 2 month vision, a 1 year vision, a 10-year vision, 5-year vision. It's like that question they ask you when you go for interview. So where do you see yourself in 5 years? And even those who want to stay in the company for 3 months or 4 months because maybe they're leaving, they're moving to Canada, they're like, I see myself becoming the CEO of this company. I see myself serving this company. I see myself getting promotions in this company. Do you really? Do you? Anyway, whatever. So a vision board is just a board that holds images that represent the future that you want. I have a definition that I wrote down, so I'm just going to quickly look at that. A vision board is a board that displays images that represent your future. So it's like a visual representation of the future that you want. If you've been making vision boards, you understand why they are important and how they are important. But if you've not been making vision boards, you probably are just like, oh, which one is vision boards again? Or maybe you've heard about vision boards but you've never made one, or you've made one and you didn't see an impact from making a vision board. Vision boards have changed my life in many ways. I've hosted a couple of vision board parties in Abuja, Nigeria, where I stay, and I've hosted one in Lagos. Vision boards are very important. I really recommend them. I don't know whether I've said it before on this channel. Christabel by design basically means Christabel intentionally. By design means intentionally, or by intention. That's what it means. And one of the ways to be very intentional about your life is by creating a vision board. You know, in January, we are all usually so excited. Let me be honest, I'm usually excited all the time, but there's a special excitement about in January that everybody's just like, oof, this is my year, this is my you know, so many things we usually say in January. But one way to actually keep that excitement for your goals from January and going forward is by making a vision board, because it does get tough in the middle of the year. Nobody knows what this year will bring. Nobody knows what any year will bring, really. We just hope it brings joy, happiness, and all of that. But then a lot of years come with some challenges. Every year actually comes with some challenges, however little. And you need your vision board there to just always remind you of what you want to do and what you want to achieve. So these are some benefits of vision boards. The first thing is that your vision boards keep your goals in front of you. It makes you always remember your goals, right? The year is actually quite long. Every year is long. So, and just life in general, some days feel like a month, you know, and some months feel like a full year. And it can get tough in between. When tough circumstances come, it can get difficult to remember your why and to just remember what you're actually working towards. But the thing about having a vision board is that it keeps your goals right there before you. Whatever you focus on, you get more of it, right? So that's the way it is. And even in science, there are so many studies that have shown that what you focus on usually increases. If you focus on negativity, negativity increases. When you focus on positivity, you have more positive things in your life. So that's how it is. When you focus on your goals, you automatically are more likely to work towards it, unlike somebody who just has theirs written down and does not have a vision board. A vision board always keeps you reminded of what your goals are. The second thing your vision board helps you to do is to actually focus your strategies towards your goals. You know, the thing is this: at the beginning of the year, it's easy to just set goals and then forget those goals, or after setting your goals, you don't then take the necessary steps to strategize to make your goals come through, to achieve your goals, to implement your goals. A vision board is very important because when you have your goals in you have your goals before you, pictures that represent your goals, right? It makes you to want to do things to actualize those goals. It makes you to want to strategize. It makes you to want to ensure that whatever you do, the actions you are taking, they are bringing you closer towards achieving the goals that you've set for yourself. So the third one is actually one of the most popular things about vision board making: the law of attraction. The law of attraction posits that whatever you see, whatever you focus on, that's what increases in your life. So there's a book actually called The Secret. Wait a minute. This is the book. It's by Rhonda Byrne. This book is the book that actually made vision boards popular, and I think there's a movie of it. I haven't seen the movie. The thing about the law of attraction is that I don't believe that just by looking at your goals, they will just fall into your lap just like that. I, however, do believe that as you see your goals more and more, you unconsciously will start doing things that will lead you towards your goals. In fact, you'll start doing things consciously and unconsciously that lead you towards your goals. I believe that. I too believe that because I've seen it work in my life. So one thing about vision boards is that they do trigger the law of attraction. Because you are focused on your goals, because you are seeing your goals, you will get into places, meet people, move into alignment, and just like that, with a lot of hard work, your goals will actually get achieved. Your dreams will actually get achieved. Your vision will come alive, and one day something that was in your head that you were just thinking about, you have it in your hand, or you just like you have it in a computer, and you know you have the money in your bank account, and you're like, wow, this was actually just a thought that I had at a point in my life, and look at me now. Something else that vision boards does is that it helps you to live a life of clarity. Do you know, one thing I really don't understand is how I just don't see why people don't make vision boards, right? Maybe it's because they don't know about it, but how can you just write your goals in a book, and especially if you don't go ahead and do monthly evaluations, which is something that I think everybody should do, monthly goal setting and monthly evaluations, monthly reviews. But if you don't do that, if you're one of those who don't get to do that, so you write your goals at the beginning of the year and that's it. No, it's important to be clear at all times. Like, if someone were to ask you now if you've set your goals for 2022, if someone were to ask you like just a rapid fire question, name all your goals, will you be able to name your goals? And look, it's still January. One thing a vision board does for you is that it helps you to always move with clarity about what you want to achieve, you know, for the period for which you have a vision board. I would always recommend that people should do vision boards every year. You can have a dream board, which is like a board of things that maybe you want to achieve in your lifetime. That's completely different from a vision board, which I feel like there should always be a time, maybe for 1 year, 2 years, preferably not too long, so that it does not transform itself into a dream board. I do believe that vision boards and dream boards are completely different. That's talk for another day. I know it's used interchangeably, but I do believe that they are different. So the final thing that a vision board helps you to do is to simplify decision making. When you always know what your goals are, because you can always see your goals, right? It's so good because when you have a difficult decision to make, in addition to already having goals, you can just look at your vision board and just ask yourself, this decision I want to make, how does it fall into any of the vision that I said that I had for this year? If it does not fall in, you say no or you say yes. Of course, there are some decisions that require much more stress and much more agonizing, but for the most part, vision boards help you a lot to simplify your decision making. Guys, I think I'm going to make this video a two-part series. The second video is going to be on how to actually make a vision board. So this video I'm going to just limit it to benefits of making a vision board, and the second one is going to be on how to make a vision board. So see you in part 2 of this video, which I'll be posting very soon. Guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. At the point where I'm filming this, I think I'm now at almost 120 subscribers, probably 116 or 117 subscribers. Thank you so much. If you're watching this video and you're not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Subscribe to my channel. Do it. Press the button. Press it. Oh, press the button. Just kidding. So yeah, subscribe to my channel. Guys, thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. I'm really excited. I'm really grateful to you for watching the video, especially if you watch the video from beginning to the end. Like I say, you are the real MVP. Thank you so much. I'm going to be posting a part 2 video on how to make a vision board, and in that video I'm going to demonstrate practically how to make a vision board. So the next video, keep living your life intentionally, keep designing the life that you want to live, and keep living your life from the inside out. Thank you so much for watching this video, and goodbye. See ya.